Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys not just one, not just two, but 10 free background removal tool that you can use, guys, to remove unlimited background of an image, right? It's really useful, guys, without you having to learn to do this manually using Photoshop, and this can save you hours, guys, if you're editing images, if you're creating thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Keep watching. Alright, so I have a photo right here, guys, and we will be using this photo to test out this 10 free background removal tool, right? First on the list, guys, is removal.ai. So I'm just gonna test this tool right here. What I can do is I can drag in an image right here, and it will automatically upload the image, and it will automatically remove that background right here. And of course, we can download this image by clicking on this download, or you can download this with high quality right here. And of course, you need to sign up your account for free. All right, the next one, guys, is baseline. What I can do now is I can drag in that same image in again right here, and it will automatically remove that background of that image. As you can see, it's now successfully removing the background. What we can do is we can download this image by clicking on this one. It will open up this window right here. You'll be able to save this image into your computer that has this transparent background. Right, the next tool, guys, is Adobe. Right, Adobe has this feature which is a free background removal tool. So what I can do is I can upload that same image. Now it does not let me drag in an image, so let's try again. If we can see if we can drag the image in. Now it doesn't allow me to drag an image. What I can do is I'm gonna click on upload a photo. Alright, this is where you drag in your image right here. So let's try this tool right here, and it will automatically remove that image or background image of this photo, right, without you having to lift your finger. You would click on download, and it will automatically download your account or download your photo right here. Of course, you're gonna need to sign up your free account inside of this tool, right? The next one, guys, is remove BG. All right, so what I can do is I can like download or upload this image in again right here. It's now uploading, and it's now removing the background of the image, and voila. All right, so yeah, you just download this one right here. Next one, guys, is BG Eraser. Now let's try to use this tool again using the same image right here. Now this is where you adjust your brush, and then you can add in a stroke right here. Right, now I don't really like this because you're gonna have to manually, remove the background of this, and you'll not be able to accurately remove the background image of this. But if you wanted to use this, you can also use this by manually, adding a stroke of that portion that you wanted to remove, right? So click on erase right here, and the software will automatically remove that part of that image, right? Next one, guys, is Experty. This is one of my favorite background removal tool. What I can do is I can upload the image in right here, and it will automatically remove that background image with high definition quality. You can download this image right here, and then you can upload a new image. You can remove a new image, guys, and you can use this tool to remove unlimited background, right? This one, guys, is Capwing. So what I can do is I can use that same image in again right here. So it's not allowing me to drag in an image. What I can do is I can click on upload an image right here, and it will upload it into this canvas editor or photo editor canvas right here. So what I can do is I can click on this erase. So let's try if we can click on this erase background removal, and click on this remove background right here, and it will automatically remove the background of the image, and now we can download this image in our computer. All right, the next tool, guys, is Clipping Magic. So what I can do is use the same image again, upload the image right here. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. All you have to do is to download this image right here, right? And the last one, guys, is deposit photo. Alright, so deposit photo has this feature to remove a background image. All we can do is use the same image in again. Alright, let's upload that image in again right here. Alright, and voila, you can download this image into your computer and you can use this image, guys. Alright guys, so those are my top 10 best free background removal tool that you can use today, guys, to remove unlimited background to any kind of image. Right, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you. Mwah.